Okay, so in the interest of time, I'm just going to tell you how I put these together. I picked out the feathers that I wanted to use, and then the corresponding beads that I wanted to use. And you just put some glue. All of the materials for this tutorial came from the Dollar Tree. So I just used craft glue. I put a little bit in the bead and on the feather, and I stuck the feather through. Same with all of them. And then on some of the feathers, especially like this one, I just put some crafter's glue on the feather, and it's not dry yet, and just stuck it on top of the other feather. Now, these are going to have to dry. You cannot put these on the dream catcher until these are all dry. Once everything has dried, I laid mine set for like 2 or 3 days. That's just because I was really busy and I got sick. So mine was good and dry. Then you want to find a needle that you can pull through the beads, the top beads. And I'm using the floss also because I want what I'm hooking the feathers onto the frame with to match. You see, so I'm using the floss for this as well. And all you do is fasten it on there wherever you want it. You just choose a spot and tie it through. That's really all there is to it. However you feel that it's safe, however you feel that it's secure. And you do that with all your feathers. And here's your finished dream catcher. Now, as I said, this is just a simple one just to get you guys started. If you want to learn how to make them, I'll make some more elaborate ones later on. And there's different ways to do the web. You can use different material. You don't have to use twigs. I enjoy using them. They can get extremely elaborate. Or they can be very simple. I just wanted to do this real simple one just to teach you guys. Now, to hang it, you could actually just place it on a hanger or something, a nail or a hook, as is, from the top. Or you can purchase, little rings to attach to, just like you did with the feathers, and hang them that way. So if you do this tutorial, I would love to see your finished product. If you've ever made a dream catcher, would love to see your finished product. God bless.